you're done with this, the photo grid, you're going to check with teacher first and confirm with her that you are okay to go into this next step. Okay, then you're going to need watercolor paper, ruler, and pencil. Pause this video and go and get your material. Okay, now we're going to start. So the first thing we're going to do is make sure your watercolor paper is on the right side. On this paper, the rough side is the right side, and the back is very soft. So make sure to touch that, and make sure you get the rough side. Okay? Get the watercolor pretty straight, and you're going to get the ruler. You're using the same thing. You're using the inches, not centimeter, which is 2 fingers are going to fit into your inches. Okay, you're going to line that up. This time you're going to make you're making 2 inches and 6 lines first. Okay, so 1, 0, 1, and 2. And you're going to mark right there, and you're going to lightly mark it on your paper. I'm marking pretty hard because I want you to see it. So you're going to just mark like you could hardly see it, like right there. Okay? So make sure it's flat. Drawing lines 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. And you're not marking the 12. Go down. And you're going to repeat the same thing. Line it up flat. Make sure it's vertical. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Not marking the 12. Going down. Lightly mark it, please. For yours, it's really hard to see it because you're going to erase this after you did the portrait. So make sure it's lightly marked it. So again, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There. You're going to turn it over, and you're going to line this up with the ruler. Okay, I think that's pretty good, right? Okay. Make sure to fit the size of your paper, so lightly and draw a line. There. And you're going to the next line. Make sure everything is lined up. Okay. Hold on to your ruler. Okay. Next one. Try to hold on to your ruler carefully as much as possible. Go around. There. Another one. Okay, line it up. There it goes. And for the last one, I'm going to show you how you are supposed to do. Like, I'm just going to do lightly draw on this one for you to see. So how lightly you have to do it. So for your, it has to look like this. You're just not putting any pushing onto your pencil. So like this, okay? So you'll be like hard to see the last one, but that's what I want to see. Okay, you're going to turn it over. Okay, turn it over this way, and we're going to continue with our grids. Okay, so this time you're going to make 9 lines. You're doing same thing. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and you're not marking 18. Make sure it's flat and it's lined up. You can't touch anything here. Okay. 2, vertically lined it up, vertically mark your pencil mark. 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. There. Go down a little bit, make sure it's flat there. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. Okay. Last one. Make sure it's flat. Gives you one more thing. Okay, check it out. And then 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and 18. Okay. Okay, turn it over. Make sure it's lined it properly. Kind of get the most. Okay, I'm just going to follow this 2 mark. I'm just going to go around and mark it. Okay? If you made a mistake, you could always, there's some not straight line. I'm just going to erase it. I'm going to measure it again. Trying to measure. Okay. Good. Then we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to try to find a way. Next one. Try to figure it out which lines are properly. Line up your ruler onto the line that you have created. Okay. Okay, let's put this up a little bit more. Okay, and then we're going to continue slowly. There. Now we're done. So you have all these boxes. You're supposed to have like 6 boxes for the width, and for the height you need one, like a 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Got it? Okay. That's for the grid, and you're done with it. So you're going to the next step, which is the sketching your self-portrait using the grid. Thank you for watching.